Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cryptology channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about cryptocurrency and whether it's good investment in 2026. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content about the world of digital finance. First, let's quickly remind ourselves what cryptocurrency is. It's basically digital money that works without a central bank or government controlling. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other coins are examples. Instead of using cash or credit cards, you can use these coins to buy things or trade them for profits. Now let's talk about how things have changed since the early days of cryptocurrency. Back in 2021, a lot of people thought crypto was just a trend, but here we are in 2026 and it's still growing. More and more businesses are accepting crypto as payment. In fact, you can even buy things like cars, houses, and electronics with digital coins. Now, the big question is cryptocurrency a good investment in 26? Well, it depends on a few things. Crypto is still now for begin very volatile. This means prices can go up and down quickly. One day Bitcoin could be worth $5,000 and the next day it might drop to $3,000. But despite the risk, there is a lot of excitement about the future of crypto. Some people believe that blockchain technology, which powers crypto, will change industries like healthcare, finance, and even gaming. However, it's important to understand the risks too. Not all coins will succeed, and there are still a lot of scams and frauds happening in the crypto world. If you are thinking about investing, make sure to do your research. Don't just follow the hype on social media or from influencers. Take the time to learn about the coins you are interested and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and thank you so much. Bye bye.